Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. My name is Chidima. So guys, in today's video, we are going to be discussing about this slave queen that tattooed Obi Cubana and the Cubana chief priest on her shoulder. Guys, oh my god, that is so funny. Guys, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel on the bell notification icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So
Jesus is Lord. Jesus
so
is
guys, one girl like that just tattooed Obi Cubana and the Cubana chief priest on her shoulder. What could be her reason? What could be her what was she looking for? What was she trying to do? For fame, for publicity, or for them to give her money, or what? I don't know. You know, anything can happen in Nigeria. Somebody will just somebody saw Destiny Etiko and was crying, following the car, you know, before you know what is happening, boom. Destiny Etiko adopted her. You know, anything can happen. Nigeria can, in fact, honestly, but in this girl case, now, instead of gaining favor, she got criticized and got disgraced. Oh my God. Nigeria, my country, I hail una. But guy, come on. This girl, what were you thinking? What were you thinking when you tattooed a married man with children? Married men with children, you tattoo them on your body. So if you tattooed other people's husband on your body, then when you got married, if you now get married, where will you tattoo your husband? There won't be space for your own husband. Oh boy, this girl, you made me laugh. Honestly, the men that are married with family, going their own businesses, you have the guts to tattoo them on your body, make a video about it, and shamelessly post it on internet. Wow. So what were you trying to what were you trying to achieve? What do you really want? What do you expect? Oh my God. Honestly, this girl, in fact, I don't know. I will not say poverty or anything, but poverty is making people to do a lot of things. Akpiriego, wanting to belong, wanting to follow, wanting to associate with people that has made it is disturbing. That mentality is disturbing Nigerians so much. Following who no road is disturbing them so much. Follow who no road is disturbing Nigerian mentality so much. Nigerian youth, you people should be careful. So that thing Buhari said that you people are lazy, people will not start seeing it that way. How come? Okay, now see Cubana chief priest. In fact, I like his response. He said, if you really love them, that you can come and take up a uniform. Talk about the branch of their offices you want to work and start working as a waitress. That is the best answer. And the true Cubana chief priest might have said that sarcastically or in an insulting or in a disgraceful manner, but that is the real thing. That is in fact, the main thing you should have done. If you really like them, you said you like their doings, you like their whereabouts. So if you really like their doings, what you should have done is 1 hour. You use a whole 1 hour to tattoo another person's husband on your shoulder. That 1 hour, you should have used it to write an application. Had it been that you forwarded your application, your CV to them, and tell them that you like how they are doing. You like their doings, like you said, that you would like to work with them. You would like to work in their firm. Honestly, they might have given you. Who knows? They might. You didn't see any other person to tattoo on your body. Don't you have a mother? Don't you have a father? Don't you have a brother? Is Obi Cubana the only person in Nigeria that you like their doings? Is he the only one? Oh my God, this is funny, honestly. Okay, why not go and tattoo a mechanic? There are a lot of mechanics on the roadside. There are vulcanizers on the roadside. Why not go and tattoo them with their vulcanizing instrument or their mechanical instrument, so that we know that you like their doings? Must it be somebody that has money or somebody that has already made it that you will tattoo on your body? Oh girl, you form my hand, honestly. You want to blow, Abby? You want to blow with somebody that has already blown? Sorry, oh, this disgrace, honestly. Girl, you didn't do well at all, honestly. Had it been that you use this time that you use, the pain you went through to draw those people on your body, the money, even the money you spend, if you have used it to do another thing, it would have been better for you. Then go home, sit down on your table, write an application, so package it with your CV. Even if you are not educated, even if you don't go to university, even if you don't have any university certificate, O-level certificate, WAEC certificate is enough to gain you a waitress in any bar or hotel or anything. Just tell them that, write application. Even if you don't know, you can contact him through his Twitter or Messenger, through Facebook or Instagram. Write him, excuse me, Oga, I like your doings. I like the way you think. I know you can help people. You have been helping people. Please, this is my CV. I would like to work in your office. I would like to work in one of your bars. Please help me. I need help. And I know you are not sharing money, but give me a job. I would like to be earning salary under you by working in your bar or in your restaurant or in your club. Simple. Then you put your CV under there. He will be the one that will contact you. Than to go and draw his name, tattoo his name and the name of Cubana chief priest on your back. Oh my God, this is so much. Nigerians, girls, Nigerian girls. How many times did I call you? You people should keep off from married men. Keep off. If Obi Cubana or Cubana chief priest, if they keep quiet now, if they should keep quiet and do like say they didn't see what this thing that you posted, and they go corner from the back and start friending you, tomorrow now you will come back to blackmail them. You start playing a victim. Obi Cubana gave me belle. I have a child for Cubana chief priest. We did things together, we run things together, and I have a child. I don't care. I can take care of myself. What I need is just for him to take responsibility of his child. He should just take care of his child. You start playing a victim. Girls, people should just get a life. People should just get a life. There are a lot of opportunities in Nigeria. We know things are not really going well. The Nigerian government is not really doing well. But you people should stop blaming the government. I know a lot has gone wrong, but people should help yourself. People should stop looking for all this urgent 2,000, urgent 2K, urgent this, falling where it is already done. Nigerian girls, people should keep off married men. You know it very well that Obi Cubana does not play with his wife. He loves his wife so much. You know he's a married man. You know he has children. The same thing with Cubana chief priest. I'm sure you don't even know. You don't even know the difference, because you were saying Obi Cubana chief priest. There is nothing like Obi Cubana chief priest. It's either Obi Cubana or Cubana chief priest. There are two different things. There is Obi Cubana and then there is Cubana chief priest. But you are mixing them up. It means you don't even know what you want. You don't even know them. How can you tattoo people you don't know? First of all, you wrote Cubana chief prince. Meanwhile, it is Cubana chief priest. And while you are presenting yourself, you said Obi Cubana chief priest. There is nothing like Obi Cubana chief priest. It's either Obi Cubana or Cubana chief priest. They are two different individuals. So, guys, you people should just be careful. It is... Oh, my God. People should let this go and learn work. Go and learn work to better yourself. If you learn skills and accusations and then keep yourself busy, you won't have time like this type of thing. If you go to school, have certificate, and then learn work to support yourself, you will not have time to tattoo somebody's husband at your back. You did not even think, what would the wife say? You did not even think what the damage you might cause into these people's life by all these things. If it is you as a woman and you are in this position, your husband is in this position, as a woman you saw other women tattooing your husband's name at your back, how will you feel? How will you feel? Women, that thing you know that if they do it to you, you will not like it. Don't do it to your fellow women. It is these women that are bringing problem to their own fellow women. You know that this man, you didn't even consider his wife. You didn't even consider his children. You yourself, you didn't even consider about your own future. If this tattoo now, you confirm it that it is everlasting. It is forever on your body. So a man that will marry you now, which explanation will you give that is the reason that you tattooed Obi Cubana at your back? Cubana chief priest at your back. Only to tell him that you will just tell your future husband that because you love them. On top waiting, my sister. On top waiting. Tattoo. That is everlasting. You confirm it that you did an everlasting one. Now, wow. So when you are tattooing, if you are tattooing these people now at your back, you like their doings. Okay, so they are the only people you ever like in Nigeria. They are the only people in Nigeria that you have ever liked, that you have ever loved. You love them from the deepest part of your heart. Okay, no problem. So where will you tattoo your husband? I will not blame you, because is it not where is this the name of this girl? Is it Oye? Oye from, is it Côte d'Ivoire or the Ivory Coast? I think Ivory Coast and Côte d'Ivoire is the same thing. That tattooed Bobrisky, and Bobrisky gave her 1 million. Is that what you are trying to achieve? Have you asked Oye what happened thereafter? Have you asked Oye what happened thereafter? Oh my God. Nigerian girls, Nigerian youth, people will never cease to amaze me. So guys, I just saw this thing. I laugh. I say, okay, let me bring it here. I know most of you have heard about this. What do you think? What is your opinion, my beautiful people? Let us meet at the comment section. Just tell us, how do you feel? How do you see this? What is your opinion concerning this girl that tattooed another man's husband on his shoulder and got disgraced by the person that he tattooed his name on his back? Oh my God. Maybe what she was expecting is not what she got. Honestly, she didn't expect that Cubana will address the matter like this. Maybe she thought that when they see her, they will say, oh, this girl, call her. Oh, for her to tattoo us on her back. Maybe she says she loves us. Oh, bring her. Let us know the color of her problem. We are ready to solve it. You don't know that they have family who has done more than tattooing their names on their back. You tattooed their names on your back. They have very lovable people who has tattooed their names in their own heart. And they themselves, Obi Cubana and the Cubana chief priest, there are people that they themselves have tattooed themselves in their own heart. Oh my God. Guys, please don't forget to like my video, share it, subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So, bye.